Welcome to Filmora 60-second, no more in a short time. In this video, we will introduce you 10 best online learning sites like Udemy. Codecademy. As one of the best online study website, Codecademy is serving a wide range of learners with its miniature lessons that ensure more engagement for practice assignment. The professionals here keep a regular track of the performance of all learners, and the exercises are adjusted as per skill level of an individual. The great news for learners is that Codecademy offers courses in 20 different languages, and they're available free for students and teachers as well. Coursera. Coursera is considered as the best alternative for Udemy. Although it has lesser number of courses comparatively, they are tough to be top university professors. You can join most courses for free to boost your learning, and even if you want to receive certification for your skills, you can get it by paying a reasonable amount. You'll be happy to know that Coursera even offers full-time master's and bachelor's degrees from best institutes. You can join the classes online for technical training as well as academic programs. Skillshare. Skillshare is definitely the best online learning site like Udemy. Those who love to learn new things by actually practicing them will find Skillshare best platform for learning. They provide courses on a wide range of creative fields, including fine arts, music production, photography, design, and marketing. Many courses are also available for free, and all others can be accessed with a subscription on the monthly and yearly basis. Udacity. Here's how to make online course website free. In Udacity, you can access almost 100 courses for free, but the special nano degree scheme makes it stand out among all other online learning platforms. These courses and technical training programs are provided with the assistance of some leading companies like Salesforce, Facebook, and Google. One can begin with basic courses to get an idea about technology and then switch to the advanced level to boost confidence. LinkedIn Learning. Lynda doesn't offer anything for free, but it is considered as a potential Udemy alternative due to its advanced course delivery practices. Most of these courses are dedicated to improving enjoyability skills of learners around the world, and the areas of interest include presentation management, office software proficiency, videography, graphic design, audio engineering, computer programming, and many other digital workplaces. They offer most of the courses by using video-based lectures, and users are also allowed to access video transcripts to clear their doubts. Masterclass. Masterclass.com, an online study website, allows students to learn skills specific to their interests with its wide range of courses. Simply scroll down to choose a course of your field and sign in to start listening to people who can really inspire you to achieve your goals in your area of interest. It is the most budget-friendly platform to learn whatever you want. Pluralsight. If you're looking for some professional assistance to improve your computer-related skills, we advise you to join classes at Pluralsight. Even with the monthly subscription, users are able to access complete library for desired resources, materials, and courses. You can take as many courses with your one-time subscription, whether it's for 1 month or 1 year. As their major target is to build practical skills of the learner, the courses are divided into 3 different categories as advanced, intermediate, and beginner level. Codecademy. Codecademy is one of the best online course websites which can help you to learn skills in the field of coding and technology, and the great news is that you can even start from the basic level. This learning platform is supported by US government, so you can ensure trustworthy learning experience. This website follows game-based training approach to add fun to the learning process and ultimately helps to achieve a zeal for faster and competitive learning. edX. edX is an active online learning platform with premium courses that are proven much better as compared to Udemy platform. This web-based learning platform has tie-ups with leading universities, Ivy League colleges, and top educational institutes that help to provide the best training to learners online. You can register for a wide range of professional courses ranging anywhere between behavior psychology, meteorology, to medicine. Paid learners can enjoy active interactions with other students and collect feedbacks from professors. Alison. If you're looking for best website to study online, Alison is your choice. It offers more than 1,000 high-quality courses with 9 distinctive categories for learners worldwide. Learners can access certificate courses, diploma courses, and learning paths with long-hour training. All these courses follow a unique learning pattern with different durations of learning hours. The courses are entirely free, and you can mention your certification in a resume to get your dream job in future. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.